Welcome back to the Versus series. This is the 1% Club. Today, we are going to compare and contrast some of the biggest types of investing. Crypto investing versus stock market investing. By the end of this video, you should be able to decide which is potentially better. Remember to subscribe for more investing videos. First, let's discuss crypto investing. Investing in cryptocurrencies is a very new type of investment, with the oldest cryptocurrency being Bitcoin at only 12 years. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin, make sure to watch my previous video on the history of Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies are digital-based assets, which mean they aren't normally backed by physical assets, such as a business. They also tend to be extremely volatile, experiencing periods of high gains and losses. There is a lot of potential to make massive gains, but just as much potential to lose everything you've invested. That's why never invest more than you are willing to lose. The main purpose of cryptocurrencies is to be decentralized, secure, and scalable. They remove the need for third parties such as banks and/or governments, which many people around the world prefer. Also, due to the nature of cryptocurrencies being digital-based assets, more and more people are starting to see this as the future of investing. With new technology in development, such as the metaverse and the growing NFT industry, it is becoming harder to ignore the potential of cryptocurrencies. However, crypto still isn't the perfect investment. The fact that cryptocurrencies aren't backed by physical assets makes them vulnerable to massive price drops. Crypto is only worth what people are willing to pay. If no one wants to buy it, well then the industry will probably die. The volatility of the crypto market also requires you to have a constant level head and not get overwhelmed by unrealized losses. So if you don't believe cryptocurrencies will last, or you can't control your emotions, then this type of investment is probably not going to be for you. Now, let's discuss stock market investing. Stock markets were one of the first types of investment and have been around since the 16th century. If you ask someone, what's the most common type of investment? Many people would answer, the stock market. The purpose of the stock market is to allow companies to get extra funding so they can grow the business. The stock market lets these companies list themselves on the stock exchange and allow the members of the public to invest, becoming shareholders. If you buy a share, you own a stake in the company. The companies listed on the stock market are backed by physical assets, which makes your investment safer and easier to value. The stock market also offers a wide range of investments, from blue chip stocks to extremely volatile stocks. A blue chip stock is a stock that is profitable in good and bad economic cycles, as well as a massive range of different industries for you to choose from. And if all that's not enough, you can even invest in overseas markets. However, despite the soundness of the stock market, it still has flaws. To invest in the stock market requires the use of multiple third parties, such as banks, brokers, and/or retail investment platforms. This results in time delays when trying to buy or sell investments, as well as transaction fees which can get quite costly. There is also the very small chance that a mistake is made in the system and something goes wrong with the money you are trying to invest. Cryptocurrencies remove all these issues. Stock market investing can also take a lot of research to make sure you are making good investments. Investing in the stock market also requires, like cryptocurrency, that you have a level head and do not get overwhelmed by bear markets and crashes. So if you do not want to deal with the third parties, or don't have spare time, or you can't control your emotions, then investing in the stock market might not be for you. So let's compare and contrast. Cryptocurrencies are new and more volatile, whereas the stock market is very old and has a wide range of risk. There is a limited amount of cryptocurrencies that are available to invest in, while the stock market has thousands upon thousands of options. Crypto is completely digital based and is potentially the future of investing, whereas the stock market is backed by real world assets. Crypto removes third parties while stock market investing needs them. Both require that you have a level head and control over your emotions, as well as needing a certain degree of your time. These are two very different worlds of investing for very different types of investors. It's up to you to decide which is better and where you want to put your money. I personally invest in both the stock market and crypto, but the majority of my holdings is in the stock market. Now you know the similarities and differences between cryptocurrencies and the stock market. Let me know in the comments if you would like more videos that involve the stock market. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps out the channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have an incredible day, and I wish you luck in your investing adventures.